Hello, welcome back to my video. Crypto market bounced and statement improved, but retail has yet to FOMO. Part 2. A climbing triangle development has driven the all-out crypto market capitalization toward the $1 trillion level. The issue with this 7 extended arrangement is the decreasing unpredictability which could go on until late August. From that point, the example can break one way or the other. However, Tether and Fed's markets information show bulls lacking sufficient conviction to catalyze a potential gain break. Financial backers meaningfully anticipate future information on the condition of the economy as the United States Federal Reserve (FED) raised loan fees and requires its research by program to briefly wait on August 12. The United Kingdom posts a total national output (GDP) withdrawal of 0% year-over-year. In the meantime, expansion in the UK at 9% in July, the most noteworthy figure on in 14 years. The Chinese property market has made the Fitch Rating Credit Office issue a unique report on August 7 to evaluate the effect of drought or trouble on a possibly more economy in China. Investigators expect results the executive and more modest developed and still developing organization to experience the most. To put in plainly, results financial backers are sitting tight for the Federal Reserve and central bank across the world to flag that the strategy of fishing is reaching a conclusion. Then again, expansionary are better for scan resorts, including digital currencies. Opinion improves to non-partisan following for months. The gamble of broke about by expanded financing costs has ingrained a negative for opinion into digital money. Financial backers since mid-April. Subsequently, brokers have been to distribute to unpredictable results and looked for cover in US, despite the fact that their profit don't make up for expansion. The fear and greed index hits 6 or 100 on June 19, close the most information driven feeling me sure. Thank you for watching.